Hello everyone, Andy Knight here, Automation Panda and Principal Software Architect at Cyclelabs. STARWEST 2023 is coming up. It's happening the first week of October in Anaheim, California at the Disneyland Resort, and I am so excited to be going back. I always love STARWEST. This year, I'll be giving two tutorials. First, BDD for Champions, which I teach with my friend Sarah Watkins, where we go through what it means to do behavior-driven practices like example mapping and writing good gherkin. Second tutorial will be visual testing with Cypress, where I'll teach you how to use Cypress together with Applitools to visually test your web applications. It's a great time, and I really hope to see you there at STARWEST. And if you come find me, I might even have a few cool giveaways for you. So until then, have a good time doing software testing, and I hope to see you in Anaheim at STARWEST 2023.